Alright, greetings and salutation. Welcome to what do I need to get ready for building my computer for myself. First off, screwdrivers, driver, handle with bearings, easy to twist, an extender, and assorted bits, interchangeable and magnetic. This is the iFixit kit. It's great. Plus, it has this layout grid. So as you're working on a project, you put the screws in the order they come out, and you can put them back in. It makes the project results faster and more accurate. You get the right screw in the right slot. Other things, extra screws for securing peripherals, cables, whatever. Other accessories that I like to have, dust plug set. These are little rubber plugs cut to the shapes to fit into the motherboard I/O shield on the back of the case. Dust plugs, what does it sound like? So they're little port fill for the ones you're not using. Always great, and they're easy pulling out. The other thing I like to have is Velcro. Complementary colors. If you have a color scheme that is blue and black, then you can get Velcro in a plethora of colors. So we have blue and black Velcro. You cable that sucker up, secure it, and you're good to go. Other things, zip ties, they're handy. They're inexpensive. What else? Extra fans. Always good when I'm building a computer. This is a legacy tool. This is a power supply 12-volt tester. You put the 24 pin in one end, and you get LEDs, good or bad, or different voltage on the pins that might be in and out. Great if you're working to restore a PC. If you're working on a PC that doesn't have a postcode display on the motherboard, this is from Startech, one of my favorite companies, Startech.com. This is a little I/O card with a postcode displayed on it. This is a great little tool that I've had for a long time. Maybe since 2005 or 6. What else do I like to have? Like to have the manual printed out for reference, especially when you're doing the front USB plugging into the base of the motherboard. You have very low clearance. It's hard to see. As we get older, it's even harder to see little tiny one pin, single pin connectors. Do I put it on the left one, the right one? No, it's 3 over. Whatever. All good. And I like to have all my guts set up and in easy hand. So I'm waiting on power supply and my fans of choice for this build. This is the Be Quiet 500DX in white. It's got a really interesting feature set because it takes care of the RGB for me. I don't need to putz around with RGB. I have audio and video to edit. I have projects to work on, Python coding to work on, websites to build. These are things that I've got to do to pay the bills. So we've got Seagate Fire CUDA for almost a decade. In the past, I was Western Digital girl all the way. I've been shifting to Seagate. These are 4 terabyte SSDs from Fire CUDA Seagate line, and these are NVMe Seagate Fire CUDA 530s. These are without the heat sinks because the motherboard I picked out has its own heat sinks. And I decided not to go with the heatsink version. Plus, PS5s are sucking those all up, right? I didn't want to compete. So I may do some raids. Whether it's RAID 0s for speeds, RAID 1s for redundancies, or vice versa, or RAID 10s, possibly. The video card, this is also legacy, sort of. It's been running in 2 of the computers in this room for since 2008. And ordered 3 of these, 2 for this build, 1 for repair, spare part. Then we've got extra fans, CPU coolers, different sizes that help determine what fits over the memory, which is not here. It's in the same shipment. In Canada, coming from Canada, and is stuck at the border. So memory and PSU, not here yet, so I'm not building, but I'm talking, planky. The other thing I like to do is use a P-Touch. The labels are sticky, you can wrap, make flags, it comes in different colors. We've got white, red, yellow, blue tape rolls, and it's reliable. You can do all your labeling you need right there. It sticks to pretty much any cable because the labels stick to themselves. You do a flag and wrap it with a break in the middle. So that is my pre-build thoughts. For now, be happy and healthy. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down below. You know what to do. And I'll put some links down there. Maybe affiliate links, maybe not. You are adults, for the most part. Figure yourself out. I highly recommend iFixit because I can throw it in a drawer. Because the lid is also magnetized. And it stays put together. I don't have to cut down another baggie full of screws. Ciao for now.